Wagwan Squad. This episode is the episode you've all been waiting for. Lucy and I go on the most epic adventure across the world all the way to Botswana, where we see all types of animals and have all sorts of adventures. So forward along for the adventure. Let's get right into it, guys. There we go. Squad, today is the day. I'm going on my dream vacation with my dream woman. Going on a safari this week with Lauren to Botswana to Zimbabwe. It's going to be a 7-day self-drive. So basically I'll be driving us. This is going to be crazy. So let's go. Alright guys, we are actually on the way to the airport now.
Woo!
Are you excited?
Very. Are you?
I'm really excited. So I think this is going to be the most crazy trip. Life-changing, maybe not that crazy, but it's going to have a profound impact on me. I think so. What?
I'm just really excited to be going to Africa, especially with you. So.
Oh, thanks. Yeah. Love you.
Love you too. Bye, squad.
Let's go. Alright guys, don't tell Lauren, but I think we're going to see some huge big lions, going to be some crazy animals. Like, I don't want to get her scared, but
So scared.
yeah guys, pretty excited. We're supposed to see lions, buffalo, hippos, elephants, giraffes, crocodiles. Pretty high. So the journey has started. We are on the way to Jamaica, Kingston to Atlanta, then to Atlanta, Johannesburg, then Johannesburg, Mon. We have a lot of time in between, so let's see what we get up to. So we got through security, we've gotten checked in, all these things. We're in Atlanta now, we have a long layover, so we're gonna get some food.
And a cocktail.
And a cocktail. A mixed drink, we not drink cocktail. Oh, I feel that. So right now, we're just
We're
walking
prepared, we got our snacks. Woo!
Just walking around. We have 2 more hours till our flight.
And then we have 16 hours on the plane.
Yeah! Alright guys, we've just been in the lounge chilling, but it's time for a flight, so we're going to go board. What? You're my best friend. I love you, you're my best friend.
Bye.
Alright guys, we're going on a trip with my best friend. Bye! So, we're at our seats. They want to not hold up the boarding process, so I will show you the seats soon. But you know, complimentary first drink. Cheers to Africa. I just got my dinner. It's barbecue short rib with garlic mashed potatoes, and I didn't read the rest of it. So, something. Zimmy. Let's get into the meal. Guys, I cannot believe it. We are nearly in Africa. We're nearly in South Africa. Guys, it's like a dream come true for me. I've wanted to do this my entire life. I don't know, can't put it into words. Making dreams come true is absolutely an amazing feeling. Getting to do it with the person I love is even better, so I'm super excited. I can't wait. Guys, we're landing. Look at this. Literally flew across the world. Coming from Jamaica to Atlanta. Wow. Alright, so the journey continues. We've landed in South Africa, we're off the plane.
Back shorts.
So Delta in Jamaica really screwed us. They put on the wrong tag on the bag. We spoke to them repeatedly. Lauren especially, you know, she's a boss lady, so she got in her face. I was like, yo. And they kept telling us, oh no, it's fine, to get the bag in Johannesburg. We kept saying, just change it. Anyways, long story short, my bag's being checked directly through. So I have no clothes, not a toothbrush, not a deodorant, no nothing, so we haven't figured it out. Still gonna kiss me. Alright, we're here at the airport hotel, but we got a toothbrush, we got toothpaste, so we won't have stink breath when I kiss her goodnight. Guys, our first meal in the motherland.
Our first drink.
So guys, I got a seafood medley risotto. So I see mussels. Oh no, the caviar again. Shrimp. Lauren got some tiger prawns. I got fries and chakalaka. Are you excited?
Very. Let's eat.
Yes. Okay, so we just checked into Airlink. I'll try to carry all the bags. We're going from South Africa to Botswana. We're flying from Johannesburg to Mon. Oh yes.
Ready? Waka waka eh.
She's been singing that all morning. I'm in the same clothes because you know we lost the bag and everything. Stress, but
you're a good soldier, choosing your battles. Pick yourself up and dust yourself off and back in the saddle. You're on the front line, everyone's watching. You know it's serious, we're getting
hi
closer.
guys, I'm all the way back here.
Pressure's on.
Lucy's all the way up there.
Hi Scott. You guys are the Unfortunately, James and I didn't get to sit together for this flight, but adventure is about to begin.
Samina, mina, waka, waka, Samina, mina, sakarewa. This time for Africa.
Welcome to Botswana. Well, what do you think about me not having a bag again? That make you laugh? At least it's not her bag. It'll probably come, we'll see. Who knows? Babe. Alright, so you know, say always some drama or excitement. Right now I'm at the mall in Botswana trying to find clothes. Lucy Lou has helped me get clothes.
Yep. Decked out.
Stress, but you know what? It's gonna be a great vacation. We're not let nothing get us down, so yeah, buddy. It's a lot here. Hi guys, this is our accommodation for the night, the Mon Lodge. 142 luxury rooms, and I guess whatever we're in. So we're in the river room, but the river dry up, so. Lauren is so tired, she's off and everything. I'm kind of loving it. Our first sign of wildlife was crazy, guys. This is a river. So this will be full in a few weeks. Yes, this is our luxury room. This is our... Pretty nice, to be honest. All right, squad. Sorry we didn't bring you, but I just finished dinner with Lucy Lou and the squad. I got my car key. It would be our car key, but Lauren don't want to drive. She was offered multiple times. So I got the car key. We've had dinner, we've had a few drinks. It's time to go to bed and get ready for tomorrow. I bought my gears at the Mon Mall, the Botswana Mall. Bought my gears. Watch out my new kicks. Like, yo.
I love the new kicks.
You do?
Yep.
Guys, I cannot believe. So, 3 of us on this trip had our bags lost on the way. So, let me tell you something. If you come into Africa.
Well, you don't know.
So, what do I know?
Good night.
What do you know?
Good night.
Come here. Come here.
Stop.
Come here. Come here.
Good night, squad.
Good night, squad. Right this? Alright, guys. We're gonna get ready for bed and go to bed. It's been a long 48 hours. We left Jamaica on Monday. I don't have my bag. I've been in the same clothes since Monday. This is crazy, but this is Africa. We are here. Let's go. Samina sangalewa.
This time for Africa.
Samina waka waka Smile for them. Give them a good night. No, give them a good night.
I love you all.
Hey, who you love?
The squad.
Them or me?
The squad.
What the hell?
Love you all.
Bye guys. Alright guys, so before bed, everything. We got these on rubber bags, we got one each. This is Lauren's, this is mine. So let's see what came in there. We haven't gone through it yet correctly now. So don't mind the bag.
Huh?
I'm still here. Smells like salt and pepper. So, we both got a bottle. Defender. Welcome, Leto. Dear James Leclerc, we hope you find the experience truly memorable and enjoy driving through exhilarating and contrasting locations in the world. Yours sincerely. Behind the wheel of a Defender, a world of possibilities become a lifetime of stories. Yo, I'll f**k with that. Next tattoo. Guys, the look Lauren gave me behind there was you will be so single so quickly. Postcards.
Is that us?
That's us. Yeah, you're the thicker one. Got a good shape. Postcards. I like those. Keychain. My car key can't take a keychain, so these are going on Lauren's. She's gonna have 2 balls. And then we got salt and pepper. Yeah, it smells strong still. It smells like salt and pepper. It smells good. And they're using Jamaican colors, so big up. So guys, that's our bag. We're going to go. Oh, go on squad, good morning. Today is the start of an adventure. Let's go. Alright guys, it's morning and I'm going to go check out my car. Right here. Yeah, buddy. What's this? Oh, snacks, lovely. Alright guys, so we're in the car. We're on a driving experience. Yes, the far is important and all of that, but the car and the drive is a big part of this. We're driving the 2024 Land Rover Defender. One of, if not, my all-time favorite vehicle. I love it. Alright guys, we're getting ready to go on the safari. Again, this is our river view. But the river gone. So I'm gonna get loose, we're gonna check out, jump in the whip. Alright guys, give you a little update. Our bag was lost yesterday. The airport has told us we cannot confirm we're getting the bag today until 2. And then
just to confirm, James, you guys are at the back, is that correct?
we are still at the lodge with Stefan as we're going to collect the bags, confirming that.
It's going to be Rubber Duck at the back. Yeah, correct. I just got mixed up there. Rubber Duck, correct. Thank you. Yes, copy, Rubber Duck. Over out.
So guys, we have CB radios and I think we're going to have a little time with them. Alright guys, so bags are lost. The tour has gone ahead. We're waiting with another tour guide. We'll see what happens. Maybe this is a blessing in disguise. Maybe we're going to miss all animals. Maybe we're going to see more animals. But I do know we will get to drive a little faster, I believe, because we won't be behind other people and in the dust. So God works in mysterious ways. Wagwan squad. 4 days later, we've got the bag, and so now the adventure starts. We're here with Stefan, the greatest guy, you know. And now the great Lucy behind the camera. Let's go. Wagwan squad. So we finally got the bag and we're finally on our way to join the rest of the people then. So
Woo!
yeah.
Can't wait.
So basically we're on like one straight road right now. Or we're gonna be driving down. Yeah, it's pretty similar to Jamaica. The road quality here so far has been better, I would say.
Lots of goats, lots of cows.
Yeah, it's like being in country. With better roads. We're starting to get to the area where the roads are getting bad. It's very similar. It feels, honestly, so far Botswana feels like country. What do you say?
Yeah.
It's a slower vibe than like Kingston.
Peaceful vibe.
Yeah, peaceful. very peaceful. But here, a lot more safe. Or feels a lot more safe, you know. Government is a lot more strict. They still have death penalty by hanging, which Jamaica re-legalized, but has not. Or electrocution?
Yes.
Or electrocution. Something that is legal in Jamaica, but we no longer do, which I think we should bring back. You know, child rapists, murderers, something. Yeah. So sit back and enjoy the vibe. We're going on a little adventure. Get them some.
Peace out, squad.
Alright, so we saw elephants. And now, how come there's so many downed trees? Is that a regular thing?
Yeah.
So the elephants are 8 down the trees?
Yeah.
Oh wow.
They're downing the trees because they want to get the bark,
Yeah.
all the branches.
Oh look, pavement.
Used to be water crossing.
Oh, warthogs. I saw 2 warthogs. Yeah. You're not looking out, babe. Can't believe I saw 2 warthogs. Is there a...
Giraffes!
Where?
Look right there. Oh my god.
That was really close. I told you I saw fresh shit. Alright squad, so right now we're in the Moremi Park. We're driving to, where are we driving?
Going towards Kwai. There's a bridge there, but we turn off before that gate.
Okay.
To an area where we expect to see a lot more animals like buffaloes, elephants, and maybe hippos.
Okay.
If that's not today, then definitely tomorrow.
Alright guys, so we're driving towards Kwai, but we're gonna turn off before a bridge. I don't really know, but that's what we're doing. And look at this. This is a main road. This is a park road. Like they've left it in as natural a state as possible. And you come out here and you have to respect nature. You try not to litter. You clean up after yourself, and you just enjoy the animals. You don't cause a ruckus like we usually do. So go on, take in the drive, and if we see some animals, we're going to share that with you. You see me? Big up. What's that? Alright guys, we're on the final stretch before we reach the Manquay Adventure Park. The f***ing place is so beautiful. Look at all these trees. It's winter time, so you see me? It looks like fall. I don't know. This is just, I love it. Let's go, baby. Guys, Lord and I have reached the first destination. This is the Moremi Adventure Camp, and this is where we're staying tonight. Yeah, full on tent. Oh my, this is so nice.
Right, let me quickly put the lights on.
Have lights? Is it this?
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
The switches are also in here.
Okay.
Switches.
Wow.
Okay, then there's 2 bottled water there for drinking.
Thank you.
Mosquito repellents. Then
Okay.
the bed's in there. Your luggages are here. Alright. Then this one,
Is the shower?
the shower.
Okay. What's your toilet?
Alright. That's the toilet there. Toilet paper. Then there's the bucket with water.
Okay, so we have to request hot water.
Hot water.
Okay.
Yes, so they'll come and take this one out
Yes.
just to keep it.
How long does this last?
This is 15 liters in there, so
No long showers.
you can take long showers.
You can take long. Okay, you can take a long shower.
Alright, then 2 bottles also drinkable. Then shampoo, body lotion,
Wow.
This is perfect.
and the towels.
Thank you so much. We've made it to the adventure camp. We've put all our stuff down. Now we're going to make up a little bonfire, have a one drink, and relax before dinner. So, easy mate. Let's go and kick back and just enjoy ourselves. Alright, squad, so reach our first camp. Dinner time. Nice to see you. Regular things. One thing different. This is stew kudu. Kudu stew, it seems. What's crazy? This tastes like brown stew chicken.
What's available.
Exactly.
Yes, it tastes the same thing. Even has the potatoes and tomatoes cut up and the little carrots. Exactly like brown stew.
Yeah.
We're at home. We're moving here.
Don't say that, right? You'd cry again.
You really want to get some scratch?